Welcome to Spice Up Your Life, your go-to channel for discovering the world of aphrodisiacs and culinary delights. Whether you're looking to spice up your love life or simply enhance your cooking, we've got you covered. Let's embark on a flavorful journey together. 1. Oysters, nature's elixir. Hailed as an aphrodisiac since Roman times, oysters have secured a coveted place in the culinary pantheon of desire. This reputation is largely attributed to their zinc content. Zinc is a vital mineral involved in testosterone production, a hormone crucial for male sexual function. While the direct causal link between zinc consumption and increased libido requires further scientific exploration, there's no doubt that oysters offer a nutritional powerhouse rich in protein, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. To fully appreciate the delicate flavor of oysters, many prefer them raw, accompanied by a squeeze of lemon or a tangy mignonette sauce. However, for those who prefer their seafood cooked, oysters can be transformed into delectable dishes through grilling, baking, or frying. Their creamy texture and briny taste make them a luxurious and sensual appetizer, ideal for setting the stage for a romantic evening. It's essential to exercise caution when consuming raw oysters. As filter feeders, they can accumulate harmful bacteria if harvested from polluted waters. Therefore, it's crucial to purchase oysters from reputable sources that prioritize food safety. 2. Chocolate, the sweet siren. Chocolate, with its rich, indulgent character, has long been associated with pleasure and gratification. The presence of phenylethylamine, a compound that stimulates the brain's reward system, and serotonin, a neurotransmitter linked to mood elevation, contributes to chocolate's reputation as a mood enhancer. However, the quantities of these substances in chocolate are relatively small. Nevertheless, chocolate's sensory appeal is undeniable. Its smooth texture, complex flavors, and ability to evoke feelings of comfort and indulgence make it a powerful tool for seduction. Dark chocolate, with its higher cocoa content, is often considered superior for its concentration of flavonoids, antioxidants associated with improved blood flow. To elevate chocolate's aphrodisiac potential, consider incorporating it into a shared culinary experience. A chocolate fondue, allowing lovers to dip an array of fruits, marshmallows, and other sweet treats into a decadent chocolate sauce, can create a playful and intimate atmosphere. Alternatively, a rich chocolate mousse or a velvety chocolate cake can serve as a sumptuous finale to a romantic meal. 3. Saffron, the golden elixir of desire. Saffron, often referred to as red gold due to its exorbitant price, has been revered for centuries as a culinary and medicinal treasure. Beyond its role as a flavor enhancer, this exquisite spice has garnered attention for its potential aphrodisiac properties. While scientific research is ongoing, traditional medicine and anecdotal evidence suggest that saffron may ignite passion and enhance sexual desire. The purported aphrodisiac qualities of saffron are attributed to its unique chemical composition. Compounds found in saffron, such as croquin and safranol, are believed to influence mood, libido, and overall sexual satisfaction. Some studies suggest that saffron may help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety, which can negatively impact sexual desire. Additionally, its antioxidant properties contribute to overall well-being, which can indirectly enhance sexual function. To incorporate saffron into your romantic culinary repertoire, consider its delicate, floral flavor. A subtle addition to rice dishes, soups, or stews can elevate a meal to new heights of sensory pleasure. For a truly indulgent experience, create a saffron-infused honey or a luxurious saffron-poached dessert. The golden hue of saffron adds a touch of opulence to any dish, making it a visually appealing choice for a romantic dinner. 4. Figs, nature's sweet temptation. Figs, with their luscious sweetness and sensual shape, have long been associated with fertility and desire. While scientific evidence is limited, these delectable fruits have earned a place in the pantheon of aphrodisiacs through folklore and cultural symbolism. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, figs offer a nutritional boost while tantalizing the taste buds. Some believe that the amino acid arginine, found in figs, may play a role in sexual function by improving blood flow. Additionally, figs contain antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. To enjoy the aphrodisiac potential of figs, consider incorporating them into a variety of dishes. They can be enjoyed fresh, dried, or cooked. A fig and prosciutto salad offers a sweet and savory combination that is both delicious and visually appealing. For a decadent dessert, try a fig tart or a fig and mascarpone cheese pairing. The versatility of figs allows for endless culinary possibilities, making them a delightful addition to any romantic meal. 5. Asparagus, the green elixir of desire. Asparagus, often hailed as a springtime delicacy, has garnered a reputation as an aphrodisiac. This verdant vegetable is packed with nutrients that contribute to overall well-being and can indirectly influence libido. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, asparagus offers a nutritional powerhouse. Vitamin E, a key player in hormone production, is found in appreciable amounts within its tender spears. Additionally, its high folate content supports a positive mood and overall well-being, both of which can positively impact libido. Further enhancing its aphrodisiac potential is the amino acid arginine, which plays a role in nitric oxide production, a compound vital for healthy blood flow. To savor asparagus, enjoy it steamed, roasted, or grilled. For a touch of romance, drizzle with balsamic vinegar and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. History reveals that the ancient Romans held asparagus in high esteem, considering it a luxury food and believing in its aphrodisiac qualities. 6. Honey, nature's sweet love potion. Honey, a golden elixir prized for centuries, has been interwoven into the tapestry of love and romance. Its sweet taste and sticky texture have contributed to its enduring reputation as an aphrodisiac. Beyond its delectable flavor, honey offers nutritional benefits that may support libido. Containing boron, a mineral linked to hormone production, honey can play a role in hormonal balance. Moreover, its natural sugars provide a quick energy boost, which can enhance mood and overall vitality. To incorporate honey into your romantic evening, drizzle it over yogurt, fruit, or pancakes. For a truly indulgent experience, create a honey-infused massage oil, or use it as a base for a sensual dessert. Throughout history, honey has been a symbol of love, fertility, and sweetness, making it an ideal ingredient for a romantic occasion. 7. Almonds, nature's sensual snack. Almonds, often hailed as a nutritional powerhouse, also hold a reputation as a potential aphrodisiac. These delightful nuts are packed with essential nutrients that contribute to overall health and well-being, which can indirectly influence libido. Rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and magnesium, almonds support heart health, hormone balance, and stress reduction. Magnesium, in particular, plays a crucial role in energy production and muscle relaxation, both of which are essential for a satisfying, intimate experience. Additionally, almonds contain L-arginine, an amino acid that can support blood flow. While scientific evidence for almonds as a direct aphrodisiac is limited, their nutritional profile suggests they can contribute to a healthy and fulfilling love life. 8. Strawberries, the luscious love fruit. Strawberries, with their vibrant color and sweet taste, have long been associated with love and passion. These juicy berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and folate, which contribute to overall health and well-being. Vitamin C plays a role in collagen production, important for skin health, while folate supports mood regulation. Beyond their nutritional value, strawberries are visually appealing and can add a touch of romance to any occasion. Whether enjoyed fresh, in a dessert, or as a garnish, strawberries can create a sensual and inviting atmosphere. 9. Chili peppers, the fiery passion. Chili peppers contain capsaicin, a compound that gives them their heat. Beyond their fiery flavor, chili peppers have been linked to increased endorphin levels, which can contribute to feelings of pleasure and excitement. Capsaicin stimulates the body's nervous system, leading to increased heart rate and blood flow. Some believe these physiological effects can enhance arousal and desire. Additionally, the excitement and energy associated with eating spicy food can create a passionate atmosphere. Chili peppers can be added to a variety of dishes, from salsas and sauces to main courses. For a romantic touch, try a chili-infused chocolate or a spicy seafood dish. The Scoville scale measures the heat level of chili peppers. The higher the Scoville rating, the hotter the pepper. 10. Watermelon, the refreshing desire. Watermelon is a hydrating and refreshing fruit that has gained attention as a potential aphrodisiac. While its reputation may be more of a playful association, it does contain nutrients that support overall health. Watermelon is rich in citrulline, an amino acid that can help relax blood vessels. Some studies suggest that citrulline might have a positive impact on erectile function. However, more research is needed. Watermelon can be enjoyed fresh, juiced, or blended into smoothies. For a romantic touch, create a watermelon and feta salad or a watermelon mojito. Watermelon is primarily composed of water, making it a hydrating and refreshing treat. 11. Pomegranate, the elixir of love. Pomegranates have long been associated with fertility and abundance, making them a symbol of passion and love. They are rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. The antioxidants in pomegranates support heart health, which can indirectly contribute to sexual function. Additionally, the vibrant color and juicy texture of pomegranates can create a sensual experience. Pomegranates can be eaten fresh by removing the seeds, or you can enjoy pomegranate juice. They can also be added to salads, yogurt, or desserts. Pomegranates have been cultivated for thousands of years and are mentioned in various mythologies and religions. We hope you enjoyed today's exploration of aphrodisiacs and culinary delights. Remember, the key to a fulfilling life is a balance of love, passion, and good food. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, happy cooking and happy loving.